Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. I'm MCGo101 and in today's video we're going to show you how to change out a boat propeller on an outboard motor. Now I have a Mercury 40 horsepower 4-stroke. I just recently picked this boat up and it did have a little bit of damage. I'll show you. As you can tell, it is missing a good part of the skag, and unfortunately some of the blade is missing as well. But the shaft is in good condition. It's not bent, it's not wobbling. So I'm just going to change out the boat prop. And I do have a replacement skag on order. I'll do a separate video for that. And yeah, but I figured for today we'll just get on with the boat prop. So I went ahead and ordered one. I got one from Young Marine on Amazon. This one is a 10-inch by 5/8 with a 12-inch, or sorry, with a 12 pitch. So very, very similar to what I already have on there. And so it's actually pretty simple, but we'll get set up and I'll show you how it's done. The tools you'll need, obviously a socket to fit the bolt. In my case, it's a 15/16, a Johnson bar or breaker bar, a block of wood just to rest against the prop to break the nut free, and you'll also need a torque wrench. I'm going to use that to torque it to the specified torque, and of course your prop. So we'll go ahead by getting the old one uninstalled. So what you'll do, rest your wood on top, get your nut on there, and crack that loose. Now we'll keep this nut for reassembly. Alright, little tiny clip comes off. Now you should be able to slowly wiggle that right off the prop shaft. And there's the old beat up prop. This engine doesn't have a lot of hours, so I'm pretty sure that's the original prop right from Mercury. You can take some time to inspect or grease up this, but there is a good amount of grease on it already, so I'm going to leave it as is. So basically, we're going to take our new prop. Now you'll notice there's a washer on the end of the shaft, so just make sure that it's installed the correct way. Gently slip that on. Now my prop also came with this, not sure what it's called, but it also slips onto the shaft just like so. And we'll take our little clip, we're going to place it on, and then we'll get our nut back on. So we'll start by hand tightening. And we'll get our trusty block of wood. Just got to get it in position. Now I'm going to shoot for about 80 foot-pounds of torque. I want to make sure that's on there good and tight. So now that that's on there, we'll get our torque wrench out. And we'll adjust 80 foot-pounds. And we'll tighten this up. Alright, so that looks good. We'll remove our block of wood, and you have a brand new propeller installed. So yeah, that's all there is to it. Yeah, I recommend anybody can do this job. Just take your time, make sure you have the right tools. I lucked out. Instead of going to Mercury, I went to Amazon and I saved about $80 on this prop. Looks like it's heat treated, so I'm sure it'll do fine. Now, before I take this boat out again, I'm going to make sure to replace the skag, make sure it's in good working order, because I want to protect that prop from here on out. Alright guys, well thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Do whatever you want to do. We'll see you guys next time.